At setup, we need a tilt away from the target, from the hips. The lead shoulder should be on the white line. He's a little too straight up and down. So one little tilt away, puts his head further behind the ball than he is right there. So let's watch the takeaway here. What's going to happen is his knee's going to collapse a little bit. See that, how the collapsing happens? That's not really turning or torquing the body at all. You can see the hips and the shoulders are turning about the same amount, not very much at all. He's actually swayed his right or left knee, his trail knee, outside the foot line. If I just draw a little line here through the foot line and go back to the setup position, see where he is? So he's actually got behind himself there. Then he comes in, he's moving into the position pretty good, got himself into a pretty good setup position, but now let's go to the back to the setup position again. Now watch what happens. We're going to have a line right over the top of his head in blue. Not bad. And watch this. He goes down first. Then he's going to pull right up and out of the swing. See that? That's why he's topping the ball. Plus, he's throwing the club at the ball. And if I get rid of all the lines here, you'll see very clearly that the trail hand, in this case his left hand, is under the golf club. That's a lifting position. You can't hit down on the ball if your trail hand is under the club. Physically impossible. Hitting down means the trail hand is on top of the club. So as he comes in, he goes under the club and lifts it up. So what we're going to do is we're going to work on him getting into a hands down. So right about here, we want the knuckles of the lead hand to start turning to the ground. Let's blow this up a little bit. So as he starts down, see how the knuckles aren't turning to the ground? The palm of the back of the left hand is at the ground. The back of the right hand or lead hand is not at the ground. And that's going to be a lifting motion rather than a down and through motion.